Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iPhone 15 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do screen mirroring from your iPhone 15 Pro to any Android TV. First of all, in your iPhone, go to settings. Go to settings. Then here go to personal hotspot and turn on allow others to join, and here in Wi-Fi password put a password of your choice. For demo purpose I was just typed password 12345678, minimum 8 characters should be used. Okay, and click on done finally. Then click on maximize compatibility so that your device can be scanned to other devices, that is TV or other mobiles. Okay, and then go back, and now go to your TV. Go to your TV and select settings there. Select settings, and here go to additional settings. Additional settings. Then click on network and internet and turn on Wi-Fi here. iPhone signal will be detected in your in your TV. Okay, that is hotspot signal will be detected in your TV if you turn on Wi-Fi in your TV. Yes, it has been detected and it is showing that iPhone. Just click on the signal, and now you will be required to input your password that you set in your mobile hotspot, that is personal hotspot. So type your hotspot. Here I have typed my password as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and click enter. Now your phone will be connected to your TV through mobile hotspot, that is personal hotspot, connected successfully. Now come to your phone, or go to your TV. Okay, go to your TV and go back, go back, go back, and go to Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store and install AirScreen app. AirScreen app in your TV. You have to install AirScreen in your TV. Search here AirScreen. Already I have installed AirScreen app. Okay, if you didn't install AirScreen app, just install AirScreen and open the app. Now go to your phone. Go to your phone. And here go to notification area, and here you will find screen mirroring icon. This is the screen mirroring icon. Just click it, and here AirScreen app will be scanned. Okay, just click on this this signal, and your phone screen will be mirrored to your TV now. See here, yes, it is mirrored. Now whatever you go in your screen, that will be seen in TV too. Okay, see here. So in this way you can easily do screen mirroring from your Apple iPhone 15 Pro to any Android TV. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.